guys, we're back with Muffin. I do have that sound box collar on today. Whoever gets her is going to need to have this pager. One, because you're not going to be able to let her loose without it, but two, that's going to be the commonality between everybody, and I can assure you, your average person knows nothing about training dogs, but if they've got the pager, that's going to be something she's familiar with. So when you hear that buzzing sound, that's when she's feeling the pager. It's the same as your cell phone set on vibrate. It's not a correction, it's a cue. And it's able to work when the leash isn't on there. And I know you get these people, oh, the pinch collar, the pinch collar. Well, the pinch collar, one, is terrible, and two, doesn't work when the leash isn't there. And I do have this other dog out as a distraction because we don't want it to be conditional, you know, that she does things until there's a distraction, then she doesn't do it anymore. And she loves the treats. Alright, so I'm always going to do down. I'm going to do the pager concurrent with the command and starting it slightly before. Muffin. Good girl. Good. Turn her with that pager. See how loose I'm keeping the leash. I've got this hand in front of me. Never want to wrap the leash. Feel. Good. Down. Wonderful. I really want her over on the hip, but I'm picking my battles. Good. I can assure you, anyone that says train without treats knows nothing about dogs. Good. Down. Good. Using the pager to get her down. I'm not bending and pointing. I'm not getting all hectic with her. Good girl. Good. We want her watching us, so I've got the treats in my hand. Muffin. Good. Running her with that pager. Good. I'm going to say down, and then I'm going to stop. Down. Wonderful. Order right away at this stage. Good. Good girl. Muffin. Good. Heel. Good girl. Down. Wonderful. So anybody is going to be able to do this. We're going to be able to give anybody the pager and have them do this. Muffin. There's not going to be any sit. We're going to just go straight into a down. Heel. You remember, Linda, you told me you've never been able to get her to do the down. Heel. In a little foot signal. I'm not bending and pointing, and I'm not pulling on the leash. If I needed to, I would put my foot on there. Muffin. I'm watching my hand. Good. Down. Wonderful. And the great thing about this is we can take the leash off and it still works. Down. To her, that's not. Oh, good girl. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. So I got my treats in my hand. Muffin. girl. We need to just do it over and over and over again until this becomes the habit. Good girl. Muffin. I'm going to turn her with the pager. Muffin. Pull her around her so she can